Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. In today's video, we're keeping with the Cajun theme, teaching you how to cook Cajun cooking on your grills. And today we're doing a chicken Eugene. It's a nice simple recipe, just a few ingredients, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got 4 chicken breasts here. Really, we got 2, but they were monster chicken breasts from Sam's. So I went ahead and cut them down into 4 pieces. Today we've got Cajun 180, their Trinity blend. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, onions, bell peppers, red and green, celery, and a host of other seasoning in there too. Sorry for all the background noise from my geese. They're being bad right now. We have to take the eggs away today, so they're not happy. Alright, first off, you want to go ahead and get your pellet grill up to 350 degrees, or if you're doing your charcoal grill, do it indirect and get that up to a stable 350 degrees, or if you're doing your oven, 350 degrees. Now, what you want to do first is get you one of these small little hams. They sell it close to the carved meat section next to the bacon. And then you start lining the foil pan with it. Now go ahead and put the chicken on top. You want to pour 1 stick of butter and half a can of chicken broth on it. That'll total up to 1 cup of liquid. Next, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Next, 1 4-ounce can of mushroom stems and pieces without the liquid in it. Then 8 ounces of sour cream. Do your best to try to spread it around. Then some sharp cheddar cheese. Put it on the smoker or the grill or oven for at least 1 hour and 15 minutes, possibly longer. Depends on how long the chicken takes to cook. So, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. Go ahead and check the chicken. Oh yeah. We done. Here we go. We'll go ahead and put some rice down. We're gonna go ahead and get one of these chickens out. Ham, some sauce. There we go. Chicken Eugene with cheese. Recipe didn't really call for cheese, but I added cheese just because I like cheese. So there you go. We're also gonna add a little bit of sriracha sauce. There we go. Here we go. Wow. Beautiful dish. Chicken's cooked perfectly. Hour and 15 minutes. Took no time at all. Nice buttery and creamy texture to the dish. Got a nice mushroom flavor. Seasoning's on point. That sriracha sauce puts it right over the top. Just beautiful. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.